Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Varma. You will get all the latest updates about every jobs in my channel, and I will post latest news of every job for all sector like government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs also. Stay tuned with my channel. Please subscribe my channel to get latest news.
So today's job notification is about two companies. One is from Siemens, another is from Ericsson. So two large companies notification I will discuss in this video. Watch the video till end, don't skip this video and stay tuned with me. So let's jump into this video. So you can see at first we will discuss the Siemens Technology off-campus recruitment. They are hiring for software developer engineer position, and you can see the company location. They are hiring for Udaipur and India it is. So job profile will be Java software developer or Golang. So experience needed is 0 to 2 years experience. So it means as well as experienced candidates and freshers can apply for this job. So 0, it means that 2020 batch is eligible for it, and 2019 batch is also eligible for it because they are also recent pass out freshers. So degree needed is BE, BTech or MCA. So what will be your job description? You need to assist and work with senior engineer in designing and developing, modifying, implementing software programming for products with a focus on surprising customers' expectations by achieving their high quality on-time delivery, and creates documents and executes software design which may involve complicated workflows and multiple product areas. Work under supervision. So what will be your prerequisite? You need to have a bachelor degree in computer science or similar subject with 0 to 2 years of experience, and knowledge and hands-on programming experience in Java and Golang will be preferred. Excellent communication skills, excellent mathematical logical reasoning skills, and knowledge of RDBMS, awareness of cloud technologies, awareness of software development life cycle like waterfall model, agile model, and knowledge of object-oriented design, and good delegation and time management skills. So if you are ready to apply for this job, then you need to click on apply link here. I will give this link in my description box. So after clicking on the apply link, it will be redirected to the career website of Siemens. So here you can go through once again the notification, and you will apply from it here. So it will be redirected to the application form. So at first you need to log in. I know that all of you must not been aware of Siemens job account. So if you are not registered, then you need to click on register, or if you are registered candidate, then you just need to log in. So you need to agree their privacy policy there, and you need to give it your email address, password in the registration form, your first name, last name, and your language. I think it will be English for Indian candidates. And so after registering here, you are a registered candidate profile for a Siemens job profile. So if you are already a user, you just need to log in. So just use your registered email address and password and click on submit, then apply. So this is the notification for Siemens. So let's jump into the next job notification which has come from Ericsson. So Ericsson recruitment, they are also hiring for assistant engineer position for BE BTech, and the experience needed is 1 to 3 years of experience, and the work location will be Noida in Uttar Pradesh, and your job responsibilities will be handle alarm management, ticket management for assigned network services, fault remedy requiring on-site presence in dispatch timely, regular follow-up with events with relevant departments, work towards the IPM parameters assigned by shift manager. To be successful role, a certification, any certification regarding to telecom shall be added advantage, because it you can know that Ericsson is a telecom industry. So technical and functional skills, they are asking for good knowledge of service networks, GSM network, WCDMA network, service applications, characteristics and capabilities, service performance indicator and their interpretation, basic knowledge of services and service application implementation, along with access code and transport service networks. And you have to have idea about Ericsson code values, honesty, integrity, So the qualification they are asking for 1 to 3 years of experience, and qualification degree must be in electrical engineering or telecommunication engineering or computer science or computer engineering or electronics batch can also apply for this job. So if you think it is applicable to you, then click on apply link. I will give the application link in my description box. After clicking on apply link, it will be redirected to the career website of Ericsson. You just need to accept the cookies. Then you can again see the job description in their career website also. I will give this link in my description box. You will find it from there. So please subscribe my channel because I give this type of job updates. It is helpful to you. So now you need to click on apply button. So it will be redirected to the application form. So again, if you are a registered candidate, then put your email address and password here and log in. If you are not, then you need to create your account and you need to accept the privacy policy, and then you need to give your first name, last name, email address. You need to confirm email, password, confirm password, then register. If you are becoming a registered customer to them or registered candidate to them, then you will receive a mail that you have registered. So then you need to click on login. Then you need to give your registered email address and password, then login, then apply for this job. So this is the notification for both the companies. One is Ericsson, another one I have already discussed for Siemens. So thank you for watching this video. Thanks for your patience, and we will meet in next video. Please subscribe my channel and please like this video. Thank you.